What's up, guys? I'm back at it with this Hellcat build, and I did get my roof skin back. It's right there. I'm a little bit disappointed because the Dodge deal brought me a new roof skin, and guess what? Yeah, it's damaged. Check out this corner right here. I mean, that's bent pretty good. And so is the other bottom corner, but that's all right. I'm not gonna send this back to the dealership and expect them to bring me another one, because most likely it'll probably be the same thing, because on the other roof skin, those corners were bent on it as well. And as you can see, probably already said this in the other video, but I went ahead and stripped all the doors down, everything, and almost ready to go to the paint shop. Once I get that roof skin spot welded back on there, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare everything for the paint job. What's up, guys? So I finally got the roof skin all welded on and seam sealed and everything, and all I got left to do is I just gotta scuff it, sand it, and prep it for the paint job, which I've been trying to do, but I'm sorry we got hit with so much snow down here in the south. I mean, it's a lot for us, but 3 inches. So I couldn't help myself. I had to quit my job and go hit the snow. What's up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. I just want to first off thank everybody for watching and tuning in on some of the videos. I'm very thankful for you guys. And so I'm super excited. I'm almost got this car ready to go to the paint shop. I have to order a new hood for it, and it's very expensive. And I'm just trying to figure out whether I should buy an eBay hood or dealer item hood. The other thing I'm trying to consider is whether I should buy a redeye Hellcat hood or if I should buy the original SRT, the first body style Hellcat hood. Check this out, guys. I actually found a 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat redeye hood. That is so awesome, and it's almost the same color. I think it's a little bit more red, but that's okay because that's actually gonna help me with saving some paint once I go paint the car. Alright guys, so finally this engine is coming out of hibernation. I got one little thing that I gotta address. It's this thing has to get welded up. It's gotta look all nice and pretty. Get this bolt so we can mount up that bracket that goes here. And all right, so let's go ahead and load this thing up on the truck and go to the welding shop. What's up guys, I'm pulling in right now to the shop where I went and dropped off my engine. That guy called me, told me it is ready to pick up. So I'm here now. I'm gonna get this thing loaded on and take it back to the shop. Oh yeah, it's looking good.
Well, it turned out nice. I didn't get back in there and get all this hot or nothing.
It's
And
nice.
there are no seals or nothing. I've done this shit forever. I know I'm good.
Alright, so check this out. Engine is back at the shop. We got it all welded up. So check this out. This right here is like an inverted Torx bit. I forget what it's called. But anyways, if you don't have that socket this size, don't worry, the easy way to do it is actually just get a regular socket, just find the one that fits, throw it on there, and it'll come right off. Yeah, just don't break. Piece of crap. That thing just snapped off. You wonder why? Because it's a Pittsburgh Harbor Freight special. At least the snap-on ratchet didn't break. Time for a take two. I grabbed a smaller ratchet. Oh gosh, this bolt is like welded on there. Okay, it's loose. Got this wire harness finally all out. Now I'm about to take this thing out and go put it in the other car.